talk about 8 different types or 8 different states of mind of a heroine. The Ashtanayikas are Swadhina Patika, Vasaka Sajja, Virahotkhandita, Proshita Patika, Khandita, Vipralabdha, Kalhantarita and Abhisarika. Uma will now present the Ashtavidanayikas in Ragamalika set to Aditalam. This is a composition of Sri Madurai R. Muralidhar.
Navarasam tadumbum Natiya kalage Navarasam tadumbum Natiya kalage Natiya kalaye Natiya kalaye Navarasam tadumbum Natiya kalaye Tava muni varadar Ilakana valiye Navarasam tadumbum Natiya kalaye Tava muni varadar Ilakana valiye Abhinayam kattidum Ashtavidanayagiya Gunanalam Kuridum Kuraivilandalaye Abhinayam kattidum Ashtavidanayagiya Gunanalam Kuridum Kuraivilangalaye